Today we're gonna talk, not talk. Today I'm gonna introduce you first MLBB overlay tool version 2.7. Yay! 2.7. So what is this version 2.7? How to install it? First, you need to go to your browser and then type on the URL falsegl.my.id. So this is the website. You can read it, explore it. Yes, anything you like here. And to download the overlay tool, you need to go to the section false MLB overlay tool. And then after you open it, there will be some introduction, blah 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 blah. And then you go to the down below here, and then you just need to fill the form again. Yes, so filling the form now is not in a Google form but now in this. So you need to fill the form to download it now. So first, for the country, yes, you just need to input your own country. For me it's Indonesia. And next you need to input tournament name. If you have organizer also, it's best to input your organizer also. So for example, here my tournament is called False MLBB Tour, and then my org, I will just type comma or something to separate it, and my false org, something like that. And then social media, of course, your tournament and your social URL, or of course this is your personal social media. You can fill it by Facebook. For me myself, here is instagram.com/@falsegl. And then and then after you put your social URL, you need to put your tournament or organizer social. For me, my organizer here is this instagram.com/falsegl.esport.org, and then you can press submit form. After you press the submit form, the website will gonna throw you here. So yes, this tool is provided for free. If you find anyone attempting to sell or profit from it, please report them to us immediately. So you also can support me with PayPal, Saveria, or Social Pass. So after all of it's done, you just need to press this download button, and then it will take you to the Google Drive. Then you can download anyway. And yes, your file is downloading. For me, in my case, I already download here. As you can see here, false MLBB overlay of V2.7. So how to run it? Now in this specific version, you need two software to run it. First, of course, you need to install Visual Studio Code. You can download it here. You can download it here. And the next that you need to install is the software called Node.js. See this Node.js? You can go here and then get Node.js and then download installer for Windows installer. Download this button. You can download it. Or next, I will put the link on the description. So for me myself, I haven't downloaded Node.js, so we're gonna install it together. Download. Okay, now the file is downloading, and then we press run, and then just next, accept, next, install. And then as you can see here, the file is installing. Finish. Now Node.js is installed on your computer, and we're back to our file here, and we're gonna extract it. Right click, so after you extract it, here is the folder. As you can see, it's different from before. Now the next thing that we need to do is open our Visual Studio Code. So yes, I got a lot of message from you guys like Bang, why is this not working? Bang, why is the image not showing? So blah blah blah. So we're gonna fix it here today. The thing is, you guys have failed to follow the instruction clearly. Okay, so first we need to open our folder. I'm extracting in here. local disk F and yes, and as you can see this false MLBB overlay tool. Now the thing that have failed you all is you pick this specific folder. So what happened if you pick this specific folder? It's opening, but now it's double. As you can see here, false MLBB overlay tool 2.7 and false MLBB overlay tool 2.7 again. Nah, this is wrong. This is so wrong. So the thing that you need is after you the thing that you need is when you open the folder, it should showing this thing, node modules public blah blah blah. So let me reopen the folders again. Open folders, and then now make sure the last folder that you are opening is showing this thing. See, showing the folder and showing the folder. So after you making sure this, you're just going to go back and then select it and then select the folder. Now you will see something like this. Now this is the correct folder. I repeat again, this is the correct folder. So please, okay, you got me. So we're gonna dive what is the new thing here. So because now we are using Node.js, the possibilities of using this web app on Laen is now possible. What does that mean? Okay, so I am gonna show you what does that mean. So before, you need to install Live Server Studio. Now you don't need to install it, but you can still install it. But in this specific version, you don't need to install it. It's optional. Back to your Explorer again. Now in this thing, now with this version, you just need to press the right click here, and then open in integrated terminal. Now it will be showing up like this. You just need to type node space server.js, and then after that you can see here server running on HTTP localhost 3000, and yes, you can press your control button on your keyboard and then click this, and then as you can see here, nothing in here. Yes, nothing. Why is nothing in here? Because we still doesn't have any UI. So you got now the localhost 3000. Okay, so before we jump into our web app, we need to set up one more thing. Go to public, and now as you can see here, there is server ip.txt. As you can see, this is my server IP, and you need to change it based on your IP. Okay, based on your IP. I repeat it again, change it based on your IP. So how can you know your own IP? So first, of course, you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi or anything. Yes, it's not needed to be on internet, but you need to connect it on a Wi-Fi, on a router or blah blah blah, and then you go to your CMD. After you go to your CMD, now type this ipconfig/all, and you need to find this thing, IPv4 address. You need to find this thing, and then you will see here, this is your IP. For me, it's 192.168.1.3. Okay, 192.168.1.3. This is my IP. Okay, and like if you need to find this IP4 address, you should find it if you connect it to your Wi-Fi or to your network. Okay, now you'll find your IP. Now type it on this server ip.txt. For me, it's 192.168.1.3, and then Control S, and then after that you are good. We are ready to go. So we're gonna play it one by one. As you can see here, this is our tool. We have builds, in-game builds. We have control, of course, for the draft control, display for the draft display, notification control, and this is a new there is also some adjustment and new update also for this notification control, for this notification. And then post game also have some changes and some optimization, and schedule, of course, still there, scoreboard still there, and scoreboard OCR still there, and also this is the things that you have asking for a long time, guys. So what is the exciting so what is that thing? Okay. Okay, we're going to do one by one. First, we need to get to our control. So how can we get to our control now? You need to go to your browser now and then type your IP, which means the IP that you get in the CMD here. We need to type your IP 192.168.1.3, and now you need to do this. What is it? Titik dua. Yeah, I don't know what it called in English language. Wait, let me search. Colon. Okay. Okay, colon. So you need to add this colon and then 3000. After that, you call it slash and control dot html. Sorry. Okay. Okay, we try again. 192.168.1.3 colon 3000 slash control dot html. Okay, as you can see here, this is our file. This is our web app. This is our control, and yes, many things happens here. And now if we go to, and now we just need to copy this control and then paste it, just change it to display.html. As you can see here, this is the last draft that I have testing. Yes, so yes, still the same, and I think we just need to reset everything now. Reset time, reset draft also. Then yes, and then there you have it. Sorry, reset draft. Okay, now you have it, this thing, and now there you go, we have our draft. So what is the changes? So the changes now is the sound. Now before, the sound is on control panel, but now the sound now is on display panel. So this is just an example. If I'm gonna type the heroes here, like maybe Beatrix, just call it Beatrix here, and then Beatrix will be there, but there is no sound. Okay, now we just need to press this enable audio and then type it maybe Vexana.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Yes, now you can hear the voice here. Okay, that's the new update on the draft. And what else the update? So now, because we are using Node.js, we don't need to make a docs on the OBS. What? I don't get it. Okay, let me show it to you. So now you need to go and copy this thing, and we're resetting the draft. Okay, of course, copy this thing, and then yes, we are just gonna close this, and then after that we're going to open our OBS. For me example, I'm gonna use this OBS, of course. And then after you open your OBS, you just need to go source and please this plus button, go to browser, and then yes, we name it draft pick, and then paste the URL, and then 1920, and then click OK. And then after that, yes, you just need to adjust it. And now the magic thing, not the magic thing, but now you don't need to open your docs and then custom browser docs and then put the URL here. No, you don't need to do that. Now you just need to open your another browser. For me, we just use the same control here, and maybe I just put it out. And yes, before you do anything, make sure you press the enable audio. So you just go to interact and then enable audio here, and then close, and then you just press the alt button and then drag it so the enable audio button is out. Back to your control panel here, and now we can type the name. Yes, as you can see, RRQ Hoshi, and then set 0, red set logo, maybe team liquid ID 0. So after that we can pick some logo. I'm just gonna pick this logo here, use this, and then use this also. Yes, of course you can switch your logo, and then yes, we can control it now. Offset the OBS, and yes, that's a cool part. That's cool, of course, that's cool. But do you know what's more cooler? Now also you can control it with different devices. You just need the links and then you can control it on the different devices. So I will show you how I am gonna control it on my phone. Okay, how I am gonna control it on my phone. I will turn on my camera for a minute. Wait. Okay, now I am here. We're gonna test it out on my phone. Okay, I'm gonna type the link. It is like in the like this link. Okay, 192.168.1.3 colon 3000 and slash control.html. Okay, as you can see here, this is also the same thing. So yes, for this specifically, make guys, please just only one browser, one control browser. So don't make it like two browser that have control. No, just decide what's browser or are you gonna control it. Okay, so yes, I'm just gonna close it for now. As you can see here, this is our control, and as I'm gonna try to change the name, maybe blue site name, I will change it team liquid. Okay, now as you can see, I'm typing team liquid here. Can you guys see it? Never mind, you cannot see it, but yes, I'm controlling it with my phone now. Okay, and then on the right side, maybe we get the name RQ Hoshi. Okay, RQ Hoshi. Now, yes, we can control the draft here. So for the banning page, example for the banning page, okay, we are going to ban Arlot.
Demons shall bathe in their blood. The
ban
light
Alucard,
belongs to
not
the
Arlot.
righteous.
Okay, now we ban Arlot.
I will choose my own path.
Okay, see, I'm just banning Arlot, and then next I'm gonna ban Hilda. See here, Hilda. Cannot see, but yes, Hilda.
Fight for the ultimate answer.
And then we're gonna banning what again? Estes.
Hello, my friend.
Okay. Again, now you guys get the idea. Now you don't need your computer only to you don't need the streamer computer to control it. Now you can use any device that have browser to control it. So yes, I'm gonna reset the draft again, and that's the update for the draft and the drafting. Okay, now we have the draft update. So what is the next thing that I have updated? So the next thing that I have updated is this thing. What is this thing name? Notification. So now we are gonna open this notification here. Copy here, and then we're gonna make a new scene, and then browse, and then browser, and then like notif display, just call it notif display, and then paste the link and make sure the width is 1920 and 80 is 1080. Sorry, change this. Okay, change this notif display .html. Now as you can see here, this is just a blank image. We're gonna add MLBB background here, like, yes, why not? We're gonna add this MLBB thing, and then yes, we also can add scoreboard. The scoreboard is still same, nothing changed. Scoreboard is still the same, and yes, also you just and yes for the scoreboard still everything is you can control it by your phone. See, I'm updating the score right now by my phone. I don't want to record this. I cannot record this because my phone is gonna crash out if I'm recording on this thing. I'm so sorry, guys, but yes, here's the thing. Okay, back to the topic. Notif. Now we back to our Google again. our browser again, and now type this, change this to notif control. And then as you can see here, before it's only turtle spawn, lord spawn, blue turtle Laen, red turtle Laen, blue lord Laen, and red lord Laen. Now we have first blood, double kill, triple kill, maniac, savage, and wipe out. This is the new update. So well, we're gonna demonstrate it for sure. And yes, we're gonna minimize it here. And then before, yes, the turtle spawn is there. Okay, and then lord spawn is there. And then next is blue turtle Laen, of course. Blue turtle is Laen. And then red turtle Laen, of course. And then blue lord Laen, lord is Laen. And then red lord Laen. Now we're gonna go to the new thing, first blood. This is the first blood animation. Double kill, triple kill, maniac, savage, wipe out. Okay, that's the new thing. Also, I have make a keybind for this also, so you don't need to go to your mouse and then press it on here. No, now you can just use your keyboard to do this. So I have registered it. The thing is, you need to be on the notif control. So if you are outside of notif control, for example like this, you cannot do it. So you need to be on the notif control. And then as you can see, this is my keyboard. The registered button is for the turtle spawn. I'm choosing the W button here. Now as you can see, you just press W. And then for the blue turtle Laen, I'm using A. Maybe I will make a keybind. I will update the keybind also. I will put the default keybind on the website. And then this S for the turtle Laen. And then you can press the R button for the lord spawn. And then you can press the D button. F button. F button for the red lord Laen. And then D button for the blue lord Laen. And then what about the first blood, double kill, triple kill, maniac, savage, and wipe out? You just need to press this 1 to 6. So 1 is for first blood, and then double kill is for the second, not 2, 3 is for triple kill, 4 is for maniac, 5 is for savage, and 6 is for wipe out. So the amazing thing about this also, you can control it with your phone. Okay, actually yes, you can control it with your phone. So I'm gonna copy, so I'm gonna do this again, and then I'm gonna notif control .html. Why the L is double? Wait. Notif control. Okay, now you can see this is the notif control. I'm gonna close it so you guys believe. Okay, maybe I will rotate it. Wait, where is the rotation? Here's the rotation. As you can see here, this is the rotation. So I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna choose the first blood. Okay, boop. Now the first blood is there, and then double kill is there, triple kill is there, maniac is there, and then savage also there, turtle Laen. Yes, it's there also. So yes, maybe you have friends can operate this thing. So he just need to like playing games, like playing MLBB, but yes, he just need to control it. You don't need to use keyboard. You can use your phone also to control this thing. Yes, and yes, that's the thing for the notification. So what else that have updated? We updated one more thing that it's called post game. So now post game is easy to do, not like before it's so hard and must do a lot of things. Post game is easy to do. So now we are gonna make a new scene also here, and just press plus button, browser, and then just call it post game, and then paste and just post game.html with 1020. Hop. Okay, now as you can see here, still the same post game, but now have turret, turret. Now how to control it? So to control it, basically you back again to your browser, paste it, and now you just need to type post game control, and you can control all of this thing here. As you can see, this is for the blue side and this is for the red side. And just to remind you that still you need to have to consider this, because you need to put the hero also. So this hero is going from the draft, so we need to fill the draft first. Let me fill the draft. Wait, I'm gonna fill the draft. I'm gonna fill the draft here. For example, I'm gonna.
My fists are on my fists are mighty oaks.
Old Alus still has a few tricks.
To me,
I might not be a Laen.
Let them play the hero.
Crowned by.
let's make the whole.
Light will fall prey to shadow.
Wrong.
See value in me?
No.
You should.
I am vengeance incarnate.
It's my way or the highway.
My magic flows as
Butterflies born by.
A punch for a punch.
What's your name, boy?
Butterflies born by thy way.
Only love at night.
I have a heart of light. Therefore, I do not fear the darkness.
Okay, as you can see, we have filled all of this thing. The hero is there, blah 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 is there. So what is the thing that you need to do is you just need to post game JSON editor, and then yes, you can change it all here. Maybe like Zong, level 15, all of the player is level 15, and then the KDA, yes, you need to change the KDA also manually. Maybe 2301. And the gold, just call it 9000, and the spell petrify. As for the item, maybe he's going for golden stuff, and then he's going to corrosion side. Yes, why not? And then he's going for demon hunter sword, of course, and then malefic gun, and then he's going for feather of heaven. And after that, Yuzong, of course, the Yuzong main item, guys. What is that? The name? Blood wings, so he can walk, so Yuzong can fly. Okay, as you can see now, I have filled the data, but still not changing. So how to update it? You just need to go down below and then save JSON, and then the pop-up will the message will come. Just click OK, and then as you can see, the item is there. The perfect build of Yuzong is here, guys. Yes, you need to manually fill this out based on the draft. So you need to see the draft also, like this thing. You need to consider about it. But yes, since you will not to fill it in one computer, you must have your friends to fill it. Yes, tell your friends to do it carefully. Yes. Okay, now of course dismiss win and lose. You can change it, lose here or win here. Doesn't matter. Yes, and then yes, blue turtle, maybe they get like 100, not 110 3 turtle, sorry. And then for the lord, like 7 lord they get it. And then for the blue turret they get like by 6 or 5 red turtle. And then for the red side turtle they got 1 0 basically, because 3 turtle only. Lord they get 1 maybe. And then for the turret they get 0 also, because Yuzong is so OP, and the game is 30 minutes, and it's game 1. Okay, and now also, and there is 2 things that you cannot fill. It is the total gold. You don't need to fill this, because it's automatically. Just for this example, I'm just gonna you see the red gold here. This is the red side red gold here, and the total now is 54020. So what if I change it to 5 through 3? Now it's changed automatically. It's updated automatically. It's, what is it? I don't know in English, but yes, you know what I mean. And then after that, you just save to JSON. Okay, and then as you can see, now it's updated 3 6.3 minutes with the goat, and then the what is it? This thing, the turtle, the lord, and the tower also. So that's the next thing. That's the thing for the post game. And also the new features is built. So we are basically gonna back to our MLBB here, beautiful MLBB, of course. And then we're going back, copy this thing, and then after that we go to the plus, and then we need to open our browser and just call it builds, and then paste the URL 1920, then just paste it, and then it's make sure its name is builds, and then width 1920 and the height is 180. And as you can see here, this is the builds this is the builds that have updated before. This is the builds that link to the post game. So yes, you can real-time update it. Of course you need someone to do it. Of course you need someone to do it for you. Yes, so yes, it's not a one man army job, so you need basically you need a team to do this. Yes, you can also do it in other device. Just for example, here I'm using again. Okay, now we're gonna demonstrate it with my phone, of course, again. Yes, for I think we're going to do for Sicilian, which is the row 5 here. Maybe the Sicilian is need his core item, which means his need wind talker. And then yes, I'm just gonna save the JSON now. And after that, as you can see, it's changed. Voila! Wow! Luar biasa. This is the new update, guys. So yes, so many things happens. Yes, of course there's some buggy steam happen too, but it's not gonna do a lot if you do it, if you're gonna use it properly, not abusing it. And then we can stylize this build also, builds, and we can stylize the transition also here. And for the showing, I'm gonna do it by 2000 and then going to slide it. And yes, for show is up, and for the height I'm gonna make it to 3 and then slide again, but now it's down. So now yes, if you want to show it, just press it, and for example I'm gonna unshow it. Asik unshow. What is unshow? Hide it and then I'm gonna show it. Yes, the item check is there. So yes, basically that's the whole update for now. Now it's more convenient, and yes, you can use it in a team, so you're not doing it alone. Just make sure your computer can handle it. Make sure your electricity can handle it, of course. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, comment below, and if you can support me, it's better. If not, it's okay. Yes, you can check my new website also. There is a bunch of things there, and there is also a tournament, bi-weekly tournament, that will be hosted in 23rd to 24th August for Indonesia, Malaysia, and Singapore only. Yes, it's just a weekly tournament, by the way. And then yes, there is a community broadcast service, blah blah blah. You can explore it, guys. So yes, thank you so much. So yes, that's all for today, guys. See you in the next video.